Okay, rule number 2 when you're grocery shopping, don't bring a lot of family. I've gone grocery shopping with my daughter-in-law, who tends to bring 4 kids. It's gonna cost you a fortune to get out of the grocery store. You may not even have everything you need. Have a list. A list keeps you on task so you know exactly what you're gonna be buying. Ooh, I think I need these cookies. Okay, now I also need potatoes. I'm gonna get Yukon Golds. I need 3 pounds. This 5 pounds. I think I can find another purpose for the other two, but I'm getting Yukon Golds because I think they're going to be a little bit softer for the potato salad that I'm making. Oh, did I happen to mention we're making Amish potato salad? Also going to need some celery. Okay, I also need sweet pickles. Now I don't know if this is the legitimate Amish recipe for potato salad. So if you're out there watching and you're Amish, let me know in the comments down below whether this actually is legit. Also, if you're Amish and you're watching YouTube, you're probably going to hell. I don't know. I don't think you're supposed to be on electronic devices. Okay, I think I've got everything I need. Anything that I have not bought, I've already got at home, such as eggs. So, with that said, I will catch you back in my kitchen. Okay, welcome into my kitchen. We are ready to finish doing our Amish potato salad. So, let's get to it. First, the worst job is peeling the potatoes. After you've got them peeled, we're going to be dicing them, boiling them for about, 12 minutes or so. So let's see if I can speed this up here for us a little bit. Okay, here's all our potatoes. Time to put them in the boiling water. Set my timer. Check on those in just a little bit. Got my 4 hard boiled eggs. I use that little dash gizmo to steam them in. I think it worked really well. If you're interested, I'll have a link down below. Now I've got to get the shells off, and we're going to be chopping these up. Okay, got all the shells off. Time to chop them up. Going to be putting those into a bowl. Time to do 2 stalks of celery. This goes into our bowl. Half a cup sweet pickles. And into our bowl. Now, along with all those, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, 2 tablespoons yellow mustard, sugar, milk. Now, I did not buy milk at the grocery store yesterday because my wife said that we had some at home. What it turned out to be was no fat milk. No fat milk is just flavored water. That's not real milk. I had to go back and get some whole milk. And we have a cup of mayo. We're going to whisk all that together. This is looking terrific. Can you see that? Set that off to the side for the moment while we're waiting on the potatoes. Okay, we want these done to tender but not mushy. We're going to let them cool down just a little bit. Then we're going to be adding our mixture. Okay, I think we've got them at a point where we can drop them in here. Going to put our mixture on the top. Get that all mixed together. Then this is going to be going into the refrigerator for about an hour at least to get all the flavors to meld together. It's looking pretty good. Gonna get that covered and into the fridge. Be back shortly. Okay, I just took this out of the refrigerator. I think this is looking pretty darn good. What do you think? Let's give it a taste. Before I get any farther, let me ask you a question. Put your answer down in the comments. If you make potato salad, do you make it with the skins on or the skins off? Let me know. Now for the taste test. Big old taste here. I'm really liking this. Now it's a little bit more liquidy than I might prefer, but the flavor, it is spot on. It's very good. I'm really liking this. I think your family's gonna like this. You may not want to be putting it directly on the plate next to like a burger. You might want to have some kind of little dish to put it into just because of that liquid factor. But you're gonna love this flavor. So with that said, give me a comment. Let me know where you're commenting from. If you're on a mobile device, hit that hype button down below. It really helps the channel. Subscriptions also help the channel, and I really appreciate those. I will catch y'all the next time. Bye-bye.